Good morning, I'm Lucano. You're watching Mundo Bitcoin with the pre-market analysis for today, the 30th of May 2014. You're watching Bitcoin Wisdom with the Bitstamp data, which is right now showing us a price of 568.78. Daily chart. We spoke about this situation yesterday. Obviously we have a sideways trend consolidation that is happening just because of the fact that price has a new particular resistance. This major resistance is the one that is going to be a little bit hard for the price to penetrate. All this area, as you can see, so far we managed to reach this new area, which is actually 592. Obviously the price managed to reach 595. However, the next major target is this. Obviously, just keep an eye on it. So far we see a sideways trend, price trying to consolidate. We might experience new retracements towards 550, and if that happens we can definitely see a potential double bottom tail that it just helps the price to consolidate, and obviously that helps the 3-day chart to generate that potential higher low that we are talking about in the last few sessions. It might happen, it might not, but in my honest opinion, the 3-day chart should definitely have a higher low just to confirm the uptrend, and why not push the price above 710. But it's too soon to tell. Just keep an eye on it. And on the daily basis, obviously we're gonna have the intraday wise, we're gonna have the opportunities coming towards us. This is the 12-hour chart. So far sideways trend. After this third higher low was built, obviously because it's overextended, it might tend to fail. It hasn't failed yet because the price hasn't been able to reach 550 with 22. However, you still have a chance to reach that area, but at the same time, if the price managed to bring sufficient volume from the buyers, the price can push himself towards 582 with 10, and after that, why not potential 595. But it's too soon to assume this situation, and because of the fact that it's a small volume appearing and the price is already overextended in several major time frames, we might experience this sideways trend a little bit longer. It just helps it helps the daily chart to build that higher low, and why not? It will help, definitely will contribute for the 3-day chart to build that potential higher low. I'd rather see the 3-day chart building that higher low just to confirm the trend. That would be a good idea. Now this is the 4-hour chart. The sideways trend is more deep. We can see how much the price is just fluctuating between supports and resistance. We haven't been able to visit once again 595. However, the price is still between several areas which are located between 580, 581, and the bottom area is actually 560. If the price managed to penetrate 560.05, we can definitely see a potential visit towards 550. Remember, the divergence between the SMA 200 and the price has to be considered as part of the process for the price to establish a new balance for potentially creating the next unbalanced movement. But right now we might experience once again a small corrections towards 550 and something below that area. And last but not least, this is the 60-minute chart. Obviously the consolidation seems more deep in that sense, but as you can see, the bottom support area of 550 with 22, as you can see, is just right next to the SMA 200. Keep an eye on it. Price might reach the SMA. That will benefit the major time frames to build those potential buy-in patterns. I'm Lucano. This is Mundo Bitcoin. Have a great day trading, and I'll see you around. Goodbye.